How to make money on Earnable. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and I'm here again with another website on which you can quickly sign up and start making money from the comfort of your home. With Earnable, as you can see here, you'll be able to earn gift cards and also PayPal money by simply completing tasks, watching videos and also taking surveys. It's quite easy and straightforward to sign up, as all you'll need to do is put in your email address and some basic information, and you can simply scroll down and you can simply tap on any one of these that you would want to use to start making money. For example, let's say you want to earn some PayPal money. You'll simply tap on PayPal. If you want to earn an Amazon gift card, you'll simply tap on Amazon. The only pullback that I see when it comes to Earnable, as you can see right here, it is not available in every country. But you can search for countries that are currently available, as they are available for a lot of countries. But unfortunately, I don't see them available for the Caribbean, and there are numerous other countries that they aren't available in. And you can see why isn't Earnable available in my country. They limit the countries where their platform is available in, as some countries have very limited offer availability. So you can enter your email information and all of that, and if it is not available in your country, when it becomes available, they'll give you an update. But hopefully, whosoever is watching this video, you're from one of these countries that it is currently available in, and you can start making money by simply watching videos or filling out surveys. It's quite easy and straightforward to earn money when it comes to Earnable.com. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.